Now this is the line. Now we measure the 250 degree. 250 degree means it is a bigger than 180. So we have to move beyond this. Okay, let me measure. We put the protractor here and this is the straight line angle 180 degree. So 180, 250 minus 180. So we move forward to this way. So we need more of 70 degree. 70 degree by 250 minus 180, 70 degree we move forward. So here to make it here angle 70 is here. Okay. So now we make the line. We draw a line here. We give this name, and many students are make a mistake that they measure properly that 250 degree, but they show here. But don't make a mistake. You start from the here 0, so it comes end up with 250 degree. The angle is this way. Yes, it formed 250 degree angle here. Now we gave the name A here, PQ arms, yes, angle A. So we write here angle A, either we write here angle PAB, angle QAB. So we measure this 250 degree angle. So this way sometimes gives a question that the angle measurement is given and you have to draw the angle and represent it. And sometimes the angle, the figure is given and you have to measure the angle. Now our next point is, if it is given the angle and you have to write the arms, angle and vertices. Yes students, now you see this figures are given, this different angles, and we have to put in this table the answer, that types of angle, vertex, arms and name of the angle that we have to write down. So first we see this angle. This angle shows that it is this less than 90 degree. So less than 90 degree is a acute angle. So we write here first type of angle, acute. Yes. And vertex, it gives a name B. Yes, that point meet two rays meet at this point, it is a vertex. That vertex point, it gives a name B. Now arms, here two arms are arms B, A, B, C. We write here this name B, A, B, C. Name of the angle, see this is the angle, and we give the name, either we say angle ABC or we say angle CBA. Yes, both answer is right. Either we write here angle ABC or angle CBA. So here we give this name of angle. This is the point when the two rays or line meet at this point. That point is called as vertex, and we give this name here B, and this angle is acute angle. Let me see the next one. This angle shows this side. Yes, so it's a more than 90 degree. Yes, so it is a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, and its name gives the vertex is Q. And and the arms, two arms are QP, QR. Arm QP, QR. And name of the angle, either we can write P, angle PQR or angle RQP. Angle PQR, RQP. The next figure is here X, Y, Z. This angle X, Y, Z, and this angle which type? It is a less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree, that means acute angle. And vertex is Z. And arms are to ZX, ZY. We write here as ZX arm and ZY. And the angles, one angle we can write here X, Z, Y. Either we write the angle Y, Z, X, but the condition is Z in the middle point, middle way. Why? It form the angle. Yes. Next figure is, it gives the right angle. Yes, it shows the right angle, and vertex name is M. And the arms are arm M, L, M, N. And the angle L, M, N, or we write N, M, L. Angle L, M, N, or we write here angle N, M, L. Okay, so this way we see this chapter that how the angles are formed. Yes, two rays or the two lines meet that point, that called the vertex, and that it forms the angle. And then after we see this, we use the protractor to measure the angle, and if the degrees are less than 90, then acute angle, more than 90 degree, so it called obtuse angle, and the 90 degree angle is called right angle, and the straight angle means it form 180 degree. Yes, so this way we learn the types of angle, then how to measure the angle, and if the degree, the measurement is given there, and we draw a angle. So this way we learn these things in this chapter. So you do the more practice through your assignments and in your textbook activity. Yes, and you also just observe surroundings you, that the lines or the design, it makes that angle, and you use more and more that protractor. So when you use this, you can learn easily when you have to use the upper scale and lower scale.